100% recommend this course to anyone if you're looking for a course that actually gives you more than you thought you would expect, and you feel glad that you took it and ready to go take on the projects. It's an easily understandable game plan that feels doable and manageable no matter what your level of experience. Yes, I have a much better idea of where I wanted to go. I had none when I came here, and I feel very focused, laser focused, ready to go.
And they were also great, the training. On the other days of the training, they taught us more about real estate and different real estate strategies and helped us decide what's best for ourselves as far as investing in real estate.
So tell me about that.
Under the tutelage of TSS, I ended up doing an auction in Illinois, and I vetted a whole bunch of properties. I didn't win 90% of the properties, but the one property that I did win, I paid $3,500 for, and it was valued at almost $70,000.
You were at one point thinking about, wow, I wonder if I should come to a training or an auction.
Yeah, I would highly recommend it.
All right. Now you've had quite a bit of success so far. I heard. How many properties have you bought already?
I've bought 40 properties from an Arkansas auction, and I was able to sell all 40 within 6 months.
The first high point, of course, was having the team essentially gathered around us to make sure our success. They weren't here just to take us by the hand, but they were here to lead us across the finish line.